traffic, land use, having adequate parking. There are a number of things that, we need the community's voice involved in as well in order to kind of make the changes that are necessary.
Environmental justice doesn't just happen when you reduce emissions in an area. It goes all the way to the planning process, and that really requires community input, so you make sure you're serving the needs of the community that you're trying to help.
NYSERDA did a fantastic job with all the stakeholders from the different entities, from Kenneth, the OEMs, put together the roadmap for the school bus mandate. And then the school bus mandate, which is saying that by 2027, you cannot buy any other bus than a zero emission. By 2035, all the buses should be zero emission in operation.